reflection of God in the deep. Oh yeah, I'm still saying this bitch knows like is it over? She gets down just like is it over?
Hey besties, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Kia, your new favorite beauty content creator. And for today's video, I'll be getting ready for a networking event here in Dallas while I give you a little background on my own makeup journey. But before we get into it, make sure you're subscribed and have my notifications on so you never miss an upload. Don't forget to also follow me on other socials, Instagram and TikTok at It's K Beauty with 3 E's. Now, let's jump into today's topic. So growing up, I would always watch my mom and my grandma get ready or put on makeup right before they went out, and I used to want to experience that so bad. I would ask for makeup kits as a kid just so I could replicate that feeling in that moment, and that's really where my love for makeup and beauty started from. I wasn't really allowed to wear like heavy makeup or like makeup at all outside of the house until high school. But in middle school, I did used to sneak and wear my friend's eyeliner. I know, kind of disgusting. And I did get caught, but hey, you live and you learn. Moving forward to high school, when I was in high school, I did do drill team, which was dance, my freshman year, and we were definitely forced to wear heavy makeup. But I didn't mind because I was just so thirsty to finally learn like how to do my makeup and wear it. Everybody seeing it. So just to put the time period in perspective, this is around 2013, basically where ABH, Anastasia Beverly Hills, was dominating the makeup field, and makeup tutorials on YouTube were in their prime. But anyways, in high school, I was very heavy-handed with the eyeliner. I was only wearing foundation for the games that I had to perform at, and red lipstick was my staple. Now, transitioning to college, we got a little better with the eyeliner, but the brows were absolutely giving 2016, just really, really dark. They weren't bad, they were just really, really dark. This is the time I was also experimenting with a lot of eyeshadows, more dramatic eye looks, and just full glam. That's also really when I started my content creation journey, specifically while in college. I was one of the ones who were in college during COVID, which meant that I had nothing but time during the time we were on lockdown to experiment with makeup. I did a couple makeup series on my Instagram. I did a Colourpop makeup series, and one that was dedicated to my favorite movies and TV shows. I believe it had like Friends. I did That's So Raven. I did How to Get Away with Murder. Very, very cool. But yeah, those were pretty cool looking back. At this point, I was starting to be the makeup guru to the people around me, which was also pretty cool because people would come to me when they had makeup related questions, wanted to know about the hottest products, or when they just wanted me to do their makeup. So I've only gotten my makeup done about twice in my life that I can recall. And that was once for my senior prom and once at Morphe on a random day during COVID. I've gotten to the point where I definitely think I can do both of those looks on myself now. So let me know if you want to see a recreation of both of those. Fast forward to after college / now, where I do more get ready with me's. They're so fun to me, especially like a full get ready with me where it's like the hair, the outfit, and the makeup. Chef's kiss. I haven't really been in my creative bag as I rightfully should, but hopefully I will be soon. I guess you can say I've been doing more soft glam looks rather than full glam. Also think that's where the beauty, / makeup community lacks, or maybe I'm just not seeing it, but I don't really see as much creativity in makeup unless it's from creators that I've already been following that always are so creative. I feel like everybody is so hung up on the soft this, no makeup that. But, that's why I just stay in my own lane and do what makes me happy. So at the moment, what's making me happy is doing Get Ready With Me's, you know, but like I said, hopefully I'll be back in my creative bag, because don't ever let the soft glam fool you. I can really get in that bag if I really want to. So many people ask me, oh my God, where do you get your inspiration from for your makeup looks? Psych, not one person asked me. But to answer the question, Pinterest. I quite literally get inspiration for anything in life from Pinterest. But if you're not on there, you need to be. Shameless plug, I do have a Pinterest board specifically dedicated to makeup looks for my series on TikTok that I need to continue, where I recreate makeup looks from Pinterest. But yeah, if you need inspo for makeup, go to Pinterest. But there's also inspo on TikTok as well, which I'm pretty sure that's like a no-brainer, but oh well. With all that being said, I don't think that my makeup journey is extremely different from most makeup girlies. I didn't go to school for it. I pretty much taught myself everything with the help of Jackie Aina, Alyssa Ashley, Aaliyah's Face, Aaliyah J, just to name a few OG makeup YouTubers. But I love that my journey is specific and unique to me. In the future, I do want to take some actual makeup classes just because I never did. So I think that would be fun. I also think that we all go through a time where we learn to love makeup again. And I think that's the period that I'm also in. If you made it this far, thanks for tuning into today's video and learning more about my makeup journey. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and make sure you turn on my post notifications so you don't miss a thing. See y'all in my next video. Bye.